In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and export reports on HubSpot seamlessly. Whether you're looking to keep your team informed with scheduled email updates or need to work with the data outside of HubSpot, these steps will guide you through the process. First things first, let's make sure you are where you need to be. Start by logging into HubSpot. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper navigation bar and locate the Reports tab. As you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Dashboards. This is your central hub for all your reporting needs, housing a collection of dashboards that highlight various metrics and data points crucial to your operations. Now that you're in the Dashboard section, take a moment to identify the specific dashboard or report you want to share. Whether it's a sales performance report, marketing analytics, or customer feedback dashboard, make your selection carefully based on your needs. Once you've clicked on the desired dashboard, look for the Actions button, usually located towards the right side of your screen. Clicking on Actions will reveal a variety of options, but for now, let's focus on the Email option. Selecting Email allows you to set up a scheduled report to be sent directly to the inboxes of your chosen recipients. This brings us to setting up the details of your email. You'll want to specify the recipients by entering their email addresses. It's important to double check these for accuracy to ensure the report reaches the right people. Next, consider how often you want this report to be sent. HubSpot offers a variety of frequency options, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, so choose what aligns best with your reporting needs. There's also an option to include a message with the report. This can be a brief explanatory note or summary, providing context to the recipients and ensuring they understand the significance of the report they're receiving. After confirming all these details, your scheduled email setup will be complete. But perhaps you also need to export this report for deeper analysis or presentation purposes. In that case, you'll want to look again at the Actions dropdown. This time, select Export. HubSpot offers multiple format options for your export, including CSV, Excel, and PDF. Choose a format that best suits your subsequent use of the data. Once you've made your selection, the file will begin downloading. If you prefer, you can now share this file through various means depending on your requirements, be it email, cloud storage, or even direct messaging. And there you have it, a full run-through of how to effectively share and export your HubSpot reports. By following these steps, you ensure that vital data is shared seamlessly across your team or organization, enhancing collaboration and decision-making capabilities. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reporting!